Five little pumpkins sitting in a row, glowing bright and ready to go. One rolled out with a giggly sound. Now four little pumpkins rolling on the ground. Four little pumpkins playing near a tree. One said boo and laughed with glee. He rolled away with a spooky sound. Now three little pumpkins bouncing all around. Three little pumpkins shining so bright. One took off on a broom tonight. He whooshed away, no one to be found. Now two little pumpkins rolling on the ground. Two little pumpkins dancing in the breeze. One got tickled and said, "Oh, please." He giggled so hard he spun around. Now one little pumpkin rolling on the ground. One little pumpkin all alone said, "Guess it's time to head on home." He rolled away with a happy sound. Now no little pumpkins left around. But wait till morning, you'll see them again. Five little pumpkins back with their friends. They'll roll, they'll laugh, they'll spin and play. Happy little pumpkins every Halloween day.
Thanks for watching Kids Exploring Club. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.